Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video, I have a fun little project to share with you guys and teach you guys how to make it. So we're going to be playing around with some coffee sleeves. You can get them from anywhere. They don't have to be Starbucks. You can get them from Dunkin' Donuts, anywhere that you can get a coffee sleeve. That'll work. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a little like tag flip book with about 4 or 5 of these. I think I did six of them. So I want to show you guys how you can create a cute little book in any theme that you would like with these coffee sleeves. So I have a bunch of ephemera laying out here. I did create one, but I want to show you before I get into the stuff. I'm going to show you guys what the book looks like. It's not fully decorated, but this is kind of like a little coffee flip book that I have created. Here's the first page. Of course, gotta throw in a shaker. So I did do the acetate on top, and then I made it really stuffed. And then here's your pocket, you guys, where you could put your little goodies for your pen pal, little pack of stickers, little ephemera pieces. But that is the first page. I didn't put anything on the back. I just matted it with paper. And then here, they're all pockets, so they're all gonna be filled up. So I just put this cute little decoration on this one. And then here, because this paper already had like a moon, I just put a little haunted house there. So I kept that pretty simple. And then the same thing, the same pocket, because it's on either way. Then we have this one with this cute little happy haunting. I have him propped up on foam. A little bat, a little spider. And here's your pockets. They all have eyelets, so nothing gets broken and torn. Kept this one plain. This one just says Happy Halloween. It has a cute little spider over here, a spider in the back. And then we have this one that's plain as well. You can decorate every single page. I just wanted to show you guys how to make one and how it would look if you decorated it a little bit. This one has a little bit of leaves, some flowers. And yeah, you guys, that is this cute little flip book idea. And I want to show you guys how easy you can do it. So what you want to do is you want to grab your coffee sleeve. Make sure that it's good and it's not completely broken or anything like that, that you have an opening. Now I chose to stitch mine, but you can hot glue this little part right here or use double-sided tape just to seal up the bottom to make it a pocket. So that is completely up to you on how you want to seal this down. What I did here was I stitched the sleeves together. I also did a lot of stitching on each sleeve, which I'll have a clip in a minute showing you guys how I sewed this. So let you guys watch that clip, and then I'll come back and show you guys what the next step is, okay? So as you guys saw, I was sewing the little pages that I was using to mat it. So you can get any paper and you just put your coffee sleeve right on top and cut right around it. Right around it. As even as you can. Yep. Super easy. As you can see, you'll get your little coffee template, and you do the same thing with any other color paper that you would like. I did the stitching, as you can see on the other clip. I stitched all the way around each and every one of these pages because I personally like that look. Don't have to do it. And like I said, I stitched this under here. I stitched it closed. You can use glue and keep it closed so that the pocket can open only from one side. All you would have to do is put that paper on one side, put the paper on the other side. I punched a hole in, I put an eyelet, and then you just end up putting it on your loop. You can make it as big as you want. You can have, this one has 5, you can have 6. But yeah, you guys, and then you just decorate it however you would like. You make one a shaker. I did the acetate one. You can make multiple shakers. But how cute is this idea? It's so fun. And all you really need are some coffee sleeves, some cardstock, some ephemera pieces to decorate your book, a little ring. You can put a tassel on this. It is so fun. And then when you send it to a pen pal for like some Halloween mail, you fill it up with some goodies. So you can put like stickers in one. You can put die cuts in the other. You can put ephemera. You can put a bunch of things. You can fill it up really, really good. And it'll be filled with goodies. So yeah, you guys, that is my super quick coffee sleeve flip book tutorial for you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, guys.